All right.
Okay. All right, you can go ahead, Raymond.
Right, so our group project is TaskTrackr, created by Dunya, Raymond, Ari, and Eve. So TaskTrackr is the command line to-do list manager. It allows users to add, view, update, and delete tasks directly through the terminal with all the data stored in the local JSON file. So we split the whole project into four of us. And Dunya worked on design and implemented the task class and crewed functionality, which creates, update, delete, and complete tasks. Raymond, I myself, built the command line interface COI using ArcParse, handled user input and task display. I developed task filtering and sorting features by status, priority, and due date. EO implemented the data storage system to load, save tasks in a local JSON file. Each team member section, task class, CLI, storage filtering was developed in separate files to keep responsibilities clear and avoid conflicts. We use commits to document progress and changes, the team to review and build off each other's code. We also made a comprehensive readme.md file, which was created to explain like how we ran the project, like how we split up everything and what each file does.
Okay, so some key features of Task Tracker are that it has a feature to add new tasks. So users can add new tasks with titles, due dates, and a priority level that ranges from low, medium to high, which helps with prioritization and knowing what's due soon or what you might want to focus on. You can also view tasks. This can be displayed at any time. Users can choose to view all tasks based on filter status, such as pending or completed. And you can also mark tasks as complete. So once the task is finished, users can mark it as complete or done. And you can delete tasks that are no longer needed. And this is basically a rundown on how to run Task Tracker. It's pretty simple, and all of this information has also been provided in the README file. To add a task, you use the classic Python 3, the name of the file, and then you would do add. You would add the title, you would add the due date and the priority level if needed. You can also list the tasks that you have currently by just using the list function, and you can also filter tasks by their status, such as pending or complete. And again, you can have a task as completed or delete it. Okay, Ari.
So for some of the challenges and problem-solving processes that we went through as a group during this project, these include team communication and coordination. So earlier in the semester, just aligning schedules and staying in sync as a team was a difficult part of the project. Most communication was done via text message, which did make the collaboration more difficult. Code integration for multiple parts. So since each team member worked on a different component, examples include task storage, the command line interface, and filtering. Merging those into a single functional script while keeping the code clean and error-free did take a lot of time and effort. And a third problem was debugging and testing. So not only making sure that each feature worked individually, um, but also testing all the features together and handling edge cases such as updating or deleting tasks that don't exist require careful planning and unit testing. So now we'll go through a simple demo walkthrough of the task tracker by running the code in real time, which Junior will show you guys.
Okay, so before we jump into running the code, we just wanted to show you our code and basically explain it a little bit. So in the beginning, we start off with a bunch of classes. We have the save tasks class, which helps you save the tasks after you jot them down. You can also add tasks. Like we mentioned, the tasks have titles, due dates, and priority levels. And you can list the tasks as pending or completed. And then Raymond.
Yeah, so the complete method marks a task as completed, such as for the task by task ID. The delete task removes the task from the task list by task ID, like it goes through a list, filters out, and then updates it. The update task method allows you to update a task title, due date, and priority. And then the organize method categorizes the task based on the due dates.
Okay, Ari.
Okay, so next we have the progress tracker, which detects whether how much progress you've made on a specific task. It prompts you and asks you if you finished the task, and then it proceeds to update the task based off the task ID. After that, there's a deadline manager, which just manages the due dates for each task and will update due dates if need be. And then we have the main function, which includes our parser, various parser methods, as well as the delete parser, the complete parser, list parser, the adding parser, the update parser, and the progress and deadline parsers, along with the organizer parser. And this is also another part of the main, which is what everything is running off of.
Okay. And we're just going to show you basically how we add tasks here and view the tasks, maybe just a quick rundown. Um, so basically, this is how we run it, which is also mentioned in the README file. Um, so we could, oops, sorry, I keep forgetting what to do here. Um, we could add the title as homework assignment. And then we can add the due date as, for example, today. And then we could add the priority level as low. So that added the task for homework assignment. And then we could, and then like if we want to view all the assignments or the tasks we have, because we did add some previous ones, we can go ahead and do that as well. Mm, Final. So these are some of the homework assignments that we had, or sorry, the tasks that we had added earlier on just to do some testing. And as you can see, the new homework assignment that we just added is here as well. And then if we want, we could also delete one of these based on their ID. So we could do delete, for example, we could do, since we have 5 ID, 2 times, we could delete that. Oops. Okay. Um, Let me try that one more time. Ari, could you check if this is how we use the delete one in the README?
I think you put Python instead of Python 3.
Oh, okay, my bad. Okay, there we go. So then that deleted the task, and then we can just view it one more time to see if it did. PY. Okay, so that removed task 5. It removed both of them, and that's how it is. So here we go.
Okay, so where are we now? We've successfully built a fully functional task manager that runs from the command line. We've also created a simple yet powerful unit testing framework to ensure each feature is correctly tested from task creation to deletion. TaskTrackr is a lightweight yet powerful command line tool that simplifies task management through an intuitive interface. We built a strong foundation using clean modular code, and essential productivity features, with room for enhancements such as user authentication, recurring tasks, or visual dashboards. TaskTrackr has great potential for future development and real-world use. And that's the end of our presentation. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We can stop the recording.